Hello dear students, Punjab Achievement Survey 2020 is going on. Under this series of past tests, I am going to discuss with you past test for class 10th English. Dear students, two passages of reading comprehension are given. We will do one by one. But before attempting these passages, we will read the questions first. First question, what is migration? Movement from one place to another, movement from river to sea, movement from Arctic to the Antarctic, none of the above. Question number 2, why do animals migrate? To escape harsh weather, to search for food, to reach their breeding grounds, all of the above. What does a group of locusts called? Swarm, monarch, mallard, flock. Which creature migrates the most? Butterflies, reanders, birds, locusts. What help reanders to find direction? Coastline, sea currents, sun rays, transmitters. Now we will read the passage. Some animals move great distances at certain times of the year. This mass movement of animals from one place to another is known as migration. Here is the answer of our first question. What is migration? Movement from one place to another. Animals migrate to escape harsh weather, to search for food and to reach their breeding ground. Dear students, here is the answer of our second question. Why do animals migrate? And the correct answer is all of the above: to escape harsh weather, to search for food, to reach their breeding grounds. Some birds like stork, Siberian cranes and mallard ducks from other countries visit India every winter. Migratory fishes like eels spend their life in rivers. They travel from the river to the sea to lay eggs. When the eggs hatch, the parent eels die and the young ones travel back to the river from where their parents had started their journey. Locusts are harmful migratory insects. Swarms of locusts settled on standing crops and destroy them. Dear students, here is the answer of our third question. What does a group of locusts called? And the correct answer is swarm. Many kinds of butterflies also migrate. The monarch butterflies fly from Canada to Mexico. Migration is the most common in birds. Here is the answer of our fourth question. Which creature migrates the most? And the answer is birds. The Arctic tern travel a distance of nearly 35,000 kilometers between the Arctic and the Antarctic twice a year. The European stork travel from Europe to Africa every winter. When spring comes, it returns to Europe to the same nest. The Siberian cranes nest in western Siberia and migrate to India. It is a great mystery how migrating animals decide where to go and in which direction to fly. Some animals take the help of sea current. The reander find their direction with the help of sun's rays. Here is the answer of our fifth question. What help reanders to find direction? Sun rays. Birds for the coastline. Scientists use various old and new methods to study migration. Rings and tiny transmitters are fixed on animals to track their movement patterns. Dear students, let's see the second paragraph. Again, we will read the questions first. The frail man wearing a kurta and dark glasses dash. What is the meaning of the word frail? Strong, weak, old, sick. Question number 7. Why were people surprised to see Raja Gopalachari walking on the road? He was an ordinary man. He was a weak person. He was the chief minister of the state. He was greeting everyone on the road. Question number 8. What time of the day has been talked about? Afternoon, morning, evening, dawn. Question number 9. Where was Rajaji supposed to reach in time? Madras, Central Railway Station, Central bus station or office? Question number 10. He was going to the station on foot. What kind of nature did C. Rajagopalachari have? He was down to earth, he was impatient, he was affectionate, he was bold. Now we will read the passage. The frail man wearing a kurta and dark glasses and carrying a walking stick was a familiar figure all over the India. Dear students, our first question was the frail man wearing a kurta and dark glasses dash. What was the meaning of the frail? You can well imagine the meaning of frail because here is written carrying a walking stick. Walking stick means he would be weak. So the correct answer is weak. One day, people returning home from offices in Madras were surprised to see him walking along the roads of the Central Railway Station just like an ordinary man. Dear students, let's see the answer of our eighth question. What time of the day has been talked about? Dear students, as we have read that people were returning home, so it will be evening. There were surprised looks and excited inquiries. People asked one another, why is he walking in this crowd? It could be dangerous. The man they were talking about was C. Gopalachari, the Chief Minister of Madras State. Here is the answer of our seventh question. Why did people surprised to see C. Rajagopalachari walking on the road? And the correct answer is he was the Chief Minister of the state. When Rajaji, as he was popularly and affectionately known, was asked why he was going to the station on foot, he had a simple answer. He had actually come by car, but the traffic jam near the station had forced the car to stop. He had to reach the station in time. Dear students, we have already read that he was going to the Central Railway Station. So we find the answer of our ninth question. Where was Rajaji supposed to reach the time? And the correct answer is Central Railway Station. He had to reach the station in time, but he got out of the car and was walking. In any case, he didn't see any reason why he should not walk a few steps even though he was the Chief Minister of the state. Now we will find the answer of our 10th question. He was going to the station on foot. What kind of nature did C. Rajagopalachari have? He was down to earth. Dear students, I hope now you have understood these passages. Thank you.